Hi, and welcome to this episode of John's Motorcycle Rescue and Review. It is a very windy day here, but I just got back with my new project. This is a 1981 Suzuki. It's the GS1100E. This bike has 9,000 original miles on it. I'm just going to walk around the bike here and let you see what I'm starting with. Now, to be honest, I did stop and wash this bike at a car wash. It is otherwise as I bought it, and so I have washed some of the dust off of it. This was actually a barn find. It was stored in a barn, but the bike runs currently, and some of the things I noticed as I was looking it over, it does not charge as it should at this point, so I'm going to have to look at the electrical system. That was a common issue on these early GS1100 motorcycles. If you look here, you can see that the tank emblem itself is a little bit bent. I will straighten that out. And the bike needs a little bit of touch up here and there. It's got some places where cables rubbed on it. You can see there on the headlight housing. But overall, this looks like a nice starting place. I'm looking forward to getting into it and servicing it, going through it from front to back and just making sure everything is up to snuff and that everything is really up to my standards. One of the nice things I see is the bike already has the steel braided brake lines on it. That's pretty cool. That's one of the upgrades I do to my bikes. The instrument cluster on this bike is really cool too. You can check that out. I've always liked the way that looked. I thought the instrument panel was really a neat design. These GS1100s were the king of the quick in their day. They were the quickest, fastest production motorcycle, and they were the first big 1100 to introduce the 16 valve head. And that was really a game changer when these bikes came out. And they still use the motors from these bikes and some of these bikes in drag racing today. It is a very robust roller crank engine. It's really over-designed, and it can handle a whole lot of horsepower. This one looks to be in pretty original condition so far. It looks like the bar has been changed out and the brake lines, but other than that, everything looks all stock. As I said, I'll go through the bike and I'll keep you guys informed on the status of the project, but I can't wait to get in on this new project here at John's Motorcycle Rescue and Review. If you're like me and you like classic bikes from the 1970s and 1980s, please like and subscribe. I feature lots of cool classic bike content on this channel. Yeah, it's windy out here.